How to make your own eco-friendly pesticides. When bugs invade your garden or houseplants, you may be tempted to grab the nearest can of insecticide and blast away. But many gardeners today are in tune with the environment and wish to learn ways to handle pest problems naturally, without harming nature. People and pets may be harmed by some of the strong chemical sprays for killing bugs, so it is a good idea to look for something safer. There are a number of recipes for organic pesticides. Things you will need: plastic gallon jug, water, measuring spoons, neem oil, rosemary essential oil, lavender essential oil, phosphate-free dishwashing soap, 1/4 teaspoon baking soda, large bowl spray bottles, neem oil. Fill a 1-gallon plastic jug with water and 2 tablespoons of neem oil. Add half a teaspoon each of rosemary and lavender essential oils. Add 2 tablespoons phosphate-free, liquid dishwashing soap. Shake the jug to mix well. Pour the solution into a spray bottle. Coat all parts of your plants with the spray. Shake the bottle often to keep the liquids from separating. Baking soda spray. Pour 1 quart of water into a large bowl. Add 2 teaspoons baking soda. Stir well to dissolve the baking soda. Pour the solution carefully into a plastic spray bottle. Apply the spray 2 times per day to plants that have powdery mildew. Continue the treatment until all traces of the mildew are gone. Tips: warnings. Remove dead leaves and debris from the base of your plants to help prevent mildew. Give your plants enough space and sunlight to discourage mildew, which thrives in damp, dark places. Try a variety of homemade pesticides by visiting green websites. Avoid spraying pesticides on windy days.